See my clothes? It's really sparkly, see?
So Eva is eating cashew and Jasmine is eating corn. So in their plate there is cherries, cucumber, corn, cashew and eggs. And same with the Jasmine. It's corn, cucumber, cherry, cashew and one egg. Let's see who's gonna eat all of their food.
Whoever eats the corn first will win. If you bite it again and again, it will taste really good. In the corn. Yeah.
Jasmine, share one, please.
Just one.
Eva is eating cashew. She loves cashew. She's eating cashew only. And Jasmine is now eating cashew. Jasmine is trying to finish all the cashew so that there will be no cashew left for Eva. Oh my goodness. So I put the whole.
Trying to finish this so we can try new food like corn.
Oh, okay. Good job, Jasmine. You are really smart. Oh, she's giving you corn.
Try it. Try, baby. Try.
So I added some cashew and the cream cheese. Normally Eva loves to eat egg, but today she's not eating egg. So
Because she likes that more because it's really healthy, but too many can make your brain a little bit dizzy.
okay.
I think. Does that happen, Mom?
I don't know that. Yeah, maybe.
Eating different kind of food will help your body more and give you more energy, but only one food who's junk and you always eat like a healthy one will give you disease and headache and heartbreak.
Yeah, junk food, yes?
Yes, junk food only, but also healthy food does not make that, but too many healthy foods like what, same, it doesn't work for your body anyway. So my baby sister always needs to say, always eat healthy food.
So Eva actually have how many? 7 teeth, but she can eat the whole cashew.
So I have a lot of teeth, but this one is loose
Yes.
and this one is still wobbly, and it hurts.
Yes.
But
Yeah, but Jasmine can eat all kind of food, okay? So,
even really fast.
yeah, even really fast. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Let me pop this and let me see what is in it. With so many juice. Our next video is popsicle video. Popsicle video is like a popsicle are like made, and then we're gonna lick that popsicle. I want to eat it so badly. So, chicks are really adorable. They can grow. First, do you know that the secret ingredient? So secret. I'm gonna tell you, but don't. Actually, chicks actually.
There's a little bit of what is it, cream cheese, and she don't like it. She's saying me to rub it, clean it, and just give it to her. Okay, it's clean now. And look at Jasmine. She's eating really good today. She's eating all. Do you need more, Jasmine?
No.
You don't like that? Do you want strawberry, baby? Strawberry?
It's actually really healthy to eat all the corn.
So I added some strawberries and blueberries. So I hope they're gonna.
This looks like a long,
Mm.
so I can do it. Seriously again. Let me go and wash my hands first. I'm being really careful. So, our next video is gonna be the diamond gold. That means that you're gonna wear like this suit, and it's gonna sparkle really good. And also, it's gonna sparkle really good at the start, and also, it's gonna be really shiny. So, bye bye. Click my video, vote for me, and also click the bell and comment below. Bye bye. I'm just gonna eat the cherry. Bowl, I sell. I said I'm eating cherry. This is what they look like in the seed. It looks really gross. Wonder what is inside.
So Jasmine, in your channel, what kind of video we make?
We make all kinds of videos, and also we're gonna make a swimming video. We're gonna make a splash video because we're gonna splash really good. And also after that, we're gonna do a water slide video. Not a water slide video, but this is gonna go to the water park. It has hoses. Who's like splash? Like hoses, but trees.
Yeah, we have science videos. Now we have eating videos. We have drawing videos,
And we're almost gonna get gymnastic videos and also ballerina videos.
oh my god, okay. And yes, and also we have reading video. Jasmine is learning to read. She is going to be in 2nd grade, yes, Jasmine? So she is learning to read. So let us know that if you want Jasmine to read any kind of book, any books, please let us know.
Look at this. It's a cherry blossom.
My baby's gonna make a mess.
So I knew it. I knew it. It's gonna be gross. Okay.
dog,
And
yes.
also buy that and subscribe. Click the yes button and also click the bell and also comment below.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
So are you done, Jasmine?
Yes. Also.
So let's see. Baby finished this much. She did not eat any egg, okay, today. I don't know why, but she ate cashew, blueberries, bless you, strawberries, and cherries. Whereas Jasmine, oh, she did really good at corn. She ate all the corns and she ate how many cherries? Oh, 3 cherries left. She did not touch even egg, but she ate cashew. Oh, she's eating cucumber. And this little one is even not eating cucumber today. I don't know. So guys, I hope you like our videos,
And
please.
also, I have one more thing. Always finish your healthy food, and then you can eat sweet, and then